Hello, this is part 1 on how to make very cool video effects on your computer for free. Oopsie, that's not supposed to be till the second video. Well, if you watch the second video, then you will see how to do that. But first, you go on your computer, obviously. Then you go to your internet browser. Go to a new tab. Search many webcam on Google and click on the first thing. Wait a second. This isn't working. Oh wait, you don't search many webcam, you just search many cam, okay? First thing should be the ManyCam homepage. You click on that, and you click download right here. Then you click the download now button. Then you click download now here. Then down here, it will automatically open. And you just open it and install it. And then, yeah. So, wait for my next video to see all about this. Yeah. All about using this program and how to make facts and stuff. Okay. Bye.